Thank you for purchasing the Regatta Deluxe Table. We've put together this short video to help you with its assembly and to make sure you get the very most out of your new CareCo product. Your Regatta Deluxe Table should come fully boxed as seen here. Courier delivery is available straight to your doorstep. Carefully cut the tape to open the box with a knife or a pair of scissors. Once opened, tilt the box and carefully slide out the various components. Packaged with your table, you should find a set of printed instructions. Please keep hold of these as they contain useful information on the assembly and best use of your product. Remove any excess wrapping to access the table frame. Using an Allen key, you can unlock and adjust the table frame width to best suit the chair that the table will be used with. This can be done by loosening the screw at the bottom, then tightening once you've found your desired base width. Press the rotary knob on the table base to raise the post. Release the knob when it's upright to lock it in place. Slide the tabletop onto the table base. You'll want the end with the dial to the handle bolt. This way, you can now tilt the table into multiple fixed positions using the spring button. You can now adjust the table height by twisting the dial on the post. Lift the table up and down, then twist the dial again once you've found a comfortable user height. Your Regatta Deluxe Table is now fully assembled. Please keep hold of the box and any packaging just in case you wish to return the item. For more details about the Regatta Deluxe Table or its assembly, simply visit careco.co.uk, pop into one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching. Take care.